Snow is a sign of winter joy for children in many parts of the world. But in Afghanistan, a recent snow has left destitute families and homeless children biting coldness and hunger. Heavy snow started falling across the country on Monday, bringing new hardships to needy families. Many had no choice but to scavenge on the streets of Kabul. Merab, a 12-year-old boy, was one of the thousands of children prowling the streets during the blizzard on Tuesday. Hail, rain or shine, if Mahab does not work, he probably won't eat. More than 22 million Afghans are facing acute food shortages. After the Taliban's takeover in mid-August, peace has returned to Afghanistan. However, the country's economic situation worsened after the freezing of over $9 billion of Afghan assets by the US, as well as a halt of funds by the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund. As a humanitarian catastrophe looms, countries including China, Germany and Pakistan have sent aid including foodstuff and winter clothes to this war-torn country. Ezzatullah, 50, was once a porter in a Kabul market. Now, as he can't afford cooking oil, he and his family have not had any meat for months.
امسال چون که دیگه اقتصاد خراب باشه وضع خراب باشه دیگه چی کنه این طرف یک وقت بود خیل بود دیگه بود حال نیست